Welcome to Asset Plant Machinery. Today we're going to overview our Steelmaster Industrial Swing Beam Hydraulic Shear 2506. Our swing beam hydraulic shear model has been one of our robust, most heavy duty industrial metalworking guillotines we've sold for over 15 years. We've had our same supplier, the same model. We've just improved this machine over and over again to the stage now where we're absolutely happy with everything that's on there. We get a lot of customer feedback and innovation, so we implement those to make this machine a very operator-friendly guillotine. So 2.5, 6.5 mil cutting capacity, 3 mil stainless. As you can see, heavy duty welded frame there. We've got solid front sheet supports across this. The middle ones and the ones have actually calibrated scales on there as well, so you can use these scales to either front feed or back trim. One of the key features that we're happy with our guillotines is that we've actually louvered the whole front guard there. So with the operators using the guillotine, it's a very easy visual sort of view to the cutting area. Makes it very easy to use. And also we've recessed our front guards there, so you can push material in right up against the blade, so maximise your cutting. As I said, individual clamping hold down. So this plumb system here basically runs the hydraulic fluid all across the front clamp. So these individual clamp jacks, as you can see, that have little neoprene bases on there that protect the material, give hydraulic strength clamping all the way across. So to operate the machine, basically there's a panda control there, so we've got a digital backgate position, nice and easy to use. So that 6mm machines have this arm, which is great. We've got stroke control there, which you can actually control the strokes. It doesn't need to go full length. We've got single stroking, multi-stroking, and obviously we've got a safety warning there as well if somebody breaks the rear guard. So we'll just do a little stroke now and sort of show the machine working. Nice and quiet. The swing beam have a 4-sided bottom blade and a 2-sided top, so multi-edge blades. They're nice and heavy, nice and thick, so you get plenty of life out of the blades. We'll put that on auto cycle now, so we'll just stroke that, and basically you can have that sort of stroking by itself up and down if you're blanking or just process cutting. So that's working now. As you can hear, low noise hydraulics. So running around the machine itself, we'll put that back to single stroke. Now, one of the key features on this machine, as said before, is our pneumatic sheet support system. Fantastic for guys that are doing light gauge material, commercial catering guys, light gauge sheet metal guys, anything sort of 0.9, 0.5 up to sort of 3mm. It tends to droop over about 400mm. So what that does is the pneumatic sheet support system, I'll turn it on now, that holds these arms up and basically hold your material flat to the back gauge, so it runs all the way through the back gauge without drooping away. So anyone in sheet metal knows what that is about. Electrical control cabinet here, we run all obviously Schneider and Siemens electrics. We always put a laminated schematic there as well for sort of long-term maintenance, and that's the control cabinet there. Around the back of the machine, we'll run this shortly and sort of show you the pneumatic sheet supports, but you can see the arms just over there, the arms with the little rollers on there. That's the light gauge sheet support system, so that's in the up position now. The back of the machine over here is also guarded with, whoops, I've just kicked that gauge there, so I'll just reset that. And so it's got safety guards at the back of the machine. And over this side here, we've got obviously your quick action blade gap sitting there as well, so you can quickly sort of adjust that blade gap if you're doing 0.55 to 6mm. Simply turn that round to actually bring the blade inside to perfect cut. So 250 side throats on all of our swing beams. Take that off and you can actually side slit. So just go behind the back of the machine there, and I'll actually stroke the guillotine with the sheet supports on, and just watch how this works. So hold on there. There's our swing beam hydraulic shear 2506 with the light gauge rear sheet supports. Now we offer this machine up to about 4 metres long, also with our light sheet supports for once again for the catering guys and guys needing that longer cutting. But jump onto assetplant.com.au for our range of industrial metalwork machinery. Thanks, have a great day.